Case name Ajinkya and age is 23 years. Today date is 14th of December 2023 and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. So just tell about yourself and your problem.
My name is Ajinkya Vijay Aswar. I am from Yavatmal, Maharashtra. Today's date is 14th December 2023. I recently completed my graduation and currently preparing for entrance exam of MBA.
What problem you are facing?
My high pitch voice.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy, and today date is 21st December 2023. So why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
My name is Ajinkya. I came here for high pitch voice problem. My voice was very high pitch, मतलब लड़की जैसी आवाज़ आती थी पहले. अभी थोड़ा ठीक हुआ है.
आपकी मदर टंग क्या है?
मराठी.
मराठी में बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम थी और ट्रीटमेंट के बाद वॉइस क्या चेंज हुआ है, लोगों के रिएक्शंस कैसे आ रहे हैं?
मला हाय पिच व्हॉइसची म्हणजे पतल्या आवाजाचा प्रॉब्लेम होता. इथे येऊन 8 दिवस मी थेरपी घेतली आहे आणि आता थोडा माझा आवाज चांगला झालेला आहे. मला थोडी अपेक्षा होती पण आता नेचरनेच तसं दिलेलं आहे तर मग त्यात काही होऊ शकत नाही.
You are feeling better?
Better. I am feeling better.
Okay, so can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, you can use.
Okay, thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in his voice, please like this video, share this video, write in the comment box what changes you are observing, and you can share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thank you. Thanks for watching.